Armed cookies reportedly took away 3 guns after burning bunkers of Indian Reserve Police IRB located at Imphal East District's Sinam. The incident occurred at around 4 a.m. today when armed cookies initiated bomb attacks using drones near Wankanfai near Maikan Maton Hill. Armed cookies reportedly managed to push through bunkers of state force and took away 3 guns, while also torching those 3 bunkers that were manned by state forces. Following the surprise attack by armed cookies, state forces also responded, and that resulted to heavy exchange of gunfire. According to information received from the location, armed cookies used weaponized drones to carry out bombing in the area. The gunfight carried out till 6 a.m. in the morning. On the other hand, speaking about the incident, a resident of Sinam named Huyam Omila said Assam Rifles post, which is situated near Wankanfai, had assured villagers of Sinam that there will be no more firing in the areas. However, the surprise attack happened today despite the assurance from Assam Rifles. She further expressed her disappointment over the repeated claims of state government about peace and normalcy returning to Manipur.
Shanti laire na khoji tangdu lai ta na khara wakhan je khara chawthok sarubani adubu ngasi pung manga taramdai saida khanghodana nganang kantruk ta thokiba misi mina yawgibdo adugi mawong sida moi ja khoi je em lauraga tawrage habi mata dongna pung manga taramdai sida nungmai adibidi bambula kapade na pura khoi je yumda leibam jabang khangdre aduga bom to thadare aduga drone dagi ju bom thadare sumaina aikhoi kayam wana kayam kuina kayam wana hingkho haibno aduga aikhoi yam ware haibasi yam waba haiba je haininga le je haibdo bo haiban ba haiman ba thokraba timing du yaure koi sijira hingjira haibagi wakhalon baw isa chuje heng kari oyogada ge haibagi wakhalon baw samu jida koi ta chengna ta na thinbaga jamanare